KODAK Magnifying Lighted Slide Viewer. Compact portable 1.8x LED. Backlight for vintage 35mm film slides. Battery operated. Neck lanyard included. Brand KODAK. Recommended uses for product education. Special feature portable, lightweight. Connectivity technology standalone. Display type LED. Kodachrome magic takes center stage. Relive the glory days of image projection with the KODAK 1.8x Magnifying LED Slide Viewer. Handheld device lets you view old 35mm film slides anytime, anywhere, and with stunning clarity. Includes miniature viewing. Device with backlight and magnifying lens. Travel neck strap and user guide. Extra powerful 1.8 times. Magnification. Skip the massive slide viewers and digital projection systems. Are compact, personal. Projector makes revisiting old memories fast and simple with a glass viewing window. Featuring generous 1.8x magnifying power. Just flip the built-in lens cover into place to protect against cracks and scratches during travel. No more straining or squinting to see. No sun. No problem. For decades, viewers would hold their old 35mm slides up to the sky, causing unnecessary strain and damage to their eyes. KODAK has you covered with an ultra-bright, long-lasting LED backlight built into the device. Flip the switch for instant illumination. For AA batteries required. Your portal to the past is now portable, traveling long distance to visit friends, taking a flight to next year's family reunion. Our palm-sized slide viewer is not only lightweight and slim, but also comes with a bonus lanyard neck strap for carrying hands-free or attaching to wrist for added protection. During use, unit measures to point for x 6.1 x 0.9. Give the gift of fun. Stress-free nostalgia. High-quality 35mm film viewer delivers crisp, clear detail and brilliant, true-to-life color. No complex setup required. Whether you're shopping for mom, dad, grandparents, KODAK collectors, or antique enthusiasts, this easy-to-use system makes a great present for birthday, holiday, anniversary, and more.